Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really awesome 2020 Challenger Scat Pack with the shaker package. This thing's loaded to the gills, great colors, 6-speed trans, has 152 actual miles. The car is still brand new, still has some of its wrappers on it. And I got a long list of options that I'll read to you in just a minute. If you go to volocars.com, you can also find all the specs there, pictures top to bottom, and the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on our bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me, let's go for a spin in this 2020 Scat Pack shaker car. The colors, the wheels, I mean, this is awesome. I don't think I could have done a better job ordering one for myself. It's just an incredible car. I'm going to put on my cheaters and read you the long list of features that this thing has. It's the 6.4 Hemi with a 6-speed Tremec trans, high-performance suspension. It has a line lock. I thought that was just on race cars. That's so you can lock up the front tires and spin the back tires. That's what it meant anyway back in the old days. I assume it's the same thing. It has a launch control, an active exhaust system. That means the exhaust note changes. Different drive modes, performance pages, traction control, stability control, Brembo 4-wheel ABS disc brakes, and I see that they are slotted. Multi-stage airbags, has a backup camera, parking assist, push button start, a Sentry key, 180 mile an hour speedometer. Bear with me, there's a lot here. Sirius Satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, media hub, tilt telescopic wheel, dual zone climate control, 6-way driver's seat, 4-way driver lumbar adjust, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 20-inch gloss granite crystal wheels with performance tires. Now here's the optional equipment. It has the Napa Alcantara seat. That's the like a suede and leather seating. Ventilated front seats, so they have cooling and heated. Premium stitched dash. Power tilt telescopic. Ambient lighting. Driver's convenience group. Has the blind spot detection. High intensity discharge headlamps. Power multi-function mirrors, manual fold away, has the upgraded stereo, 9 premium speakers with subwoofer, 506 watts, surround sound. Now the shaker package includes white face gauges, gloss black rings around the gauges, shaker hood, that's so cool to see that again. Shaker intake is different, decals, satin black rear spoiler. This has a power sunroof, the black hood pin kit, shakedown graphics, the navigation with the 8.4-inch display, navigation, locking lug nuts. This thing's loaded up with all the goodies and great colors. So let me show you the car. Obviously, it's brand new. There's not a flaw on the car. The wheels still have the stickers. It was a collector that bought the car, and he told them, just give it to me, don't even prep it. So it still has some crayon markings and stickers on the wheels. It has the little chin protectors here. Those yellow things pop off. Everything up here is awesome. And you know these inner headlights, the air goes right into the engine through the middle of that halo headlamp. It's so cool. Great color. It's called Frostbite blue. 6-speed trans. I already read all the options to you. It's like brand new because it is brand new. Underneath the car is like new. It's got 150 something miles on it. It's got the locking lug nuts that they talked about still in the package, a front license plate bracket. It's got like a pop-up style gas cap cover. We are going to start it in a minute. We get these hood pins released and we'll open it up. It says Mopar right on the hood pins. Got some cool looking pedals in there. We've had Hellcats, we've had some really cool Challengers. I think this is my favorite one yet. Just the options, the color. It has a blue air intake filter. Oh, the motor, yeah, I guess it sounds stupid to say. It looks brand new. It is brand new. It's not even dirty or tarnished or anything. Well, let me fire this thing up. It's got the Scat Pack emblem on the seat, on the fenders. $157 miles is what it has on it. I wish the miles wasn't so low. I'd be taking this one home for the weekend. Cool tail lights. Man, cars have come a long way. Maybe we goose it one more. It's an amazing car. It's ready for delivery right now today. No ordering it, no waiting for it. Here it is. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesmen. They can help make it real easy. We can get it financed. We can get it delivered to your door. Contact us at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.